Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add and remove the wireless display feature in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows to fully load. Make sure you're at your desktop and everything is ready before moving forward with this process. Once your PC is up and running, we'll begin by accessing the Apps and Features settings. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search field that appears, type Apps and Features and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Apps and Features window where you can manage all your installed programs and system features. From the Apps and Features window, look for an option called Optional Features. This section lets you add or remove built-in Windows components that aren't installed by default. Click on Optional Features to proceed. Once you're inside the Optional Features menu, you'll see an option labeled Add a Feature with a plus icon next to it. This is where you can browse and install additional Windows features. Click on this option, and a new window titled Add an Optional Feature will appear on your screen. In this new window, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click on it and type Wireless Display. This feature allows you to project your screen to other devices wirelessly, making it useful for presentations or streaming content to compatible displays. Once you see Wireless Display appear in the search results, click the checkbox next to it to select it. After selecting it, scroll down to the bottom of the window and click the Install button. Windows will now begin downloading and installing the Wireless Display feature. This may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed and system performance, so just be patient while the installation completes. Now, if you ever need to remove this feature, the process is just as simple. Head back to the Optional Features menu by following the same path we used earlier. Once you're there, you'll see a section called Installed Features, which lists all the optional components currently on your system. Scroll through the list and locate Wireless Display. Click on it to expand the options, and you'll see an Uninstall button appear. Click Uninstall, and Windows will immediately remove the feature from your computer. There's no confirmation prompt, so the feature will be gone right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to both add and remove the wireless display feature in Windows 11 and 10, giving you full control over this useful projection tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.